Hi, my name is Amy Payne with Purposeful Tech Solutions. Let's talk about CRMs. After implementing CRMs for professional organizers for over 5 years, I've worked with everything from 17 Hats to Insightly to Zoho. But there is one CRM that has completely changed how I help my organizers run their businesses. Let me tell you why Elenore has become my absolute favorite. My personal aha moment came when I realized that Elenore wasn't just another CRM. It was going to replace several tech solutions my clients were juggling. So we're talking about unlimited users, lower monthly costs, and organizer-specific tools and templates all in one place. I went from recommending a patchwork of different software solutions to having one platform that does it all. And honestly, my clients' monthly tech bills dropped significantly while their capabilities skyrocketed. Here's what really sold me: seeing my clients' transformations. I'm like you, I want to hold out and make sure something's working properly before I dive in and start recommending it to people. But I've had clients struggling with various CRMs for different reasons. One of them was using HoneyBook, but she was struggling because she couldn't create custom fields and rearrange them to match her workflow. The lack of flexibility just did not work for her. With Elenore, she got complete customization. She can organize her client details exactly how her brain works, and her intake process became seamless. There was my Insightly client who got super excited, and I mean genuinely excited, about Eleanor's ability to capture all client communication in one place. No more hunting through emails, forwarding the things, wondering what was said when. The whole team could see the communication with the client. And my Keep clients, they were so frustrated with how difficult it was to visualize their workflow processes, plus the mobile app just wasn't meeting their needs. Eleanor's visual workflow builder and mobile-friendly interface were game changers. But what makes Elenore special for professional organizers specifically? Two other things that no other CRM offers. First of all, there's an incredible community of organizers who help each other. Elenore is software for professional organizers. My clients aren't just getting software, they're joining a supportive network of peers who share strategies, templates, and solutions. Second, the organizer-specific templates that come with Elenore. Instead of starting from scratch like you do with 17 Hats, Dubsado, or Zoho, my clients get pre-built workflows that are designed specifically for organizing businesses. No one understands organizing businesses more than other professional organizers. We're talking about intake forms, templates, client communication sequences, all built by organizers for organizers. Look, I've implemented Insightly, Keep, HoneyBook, and all the others. They're good systems, but they're not Elenore. Elenore understands that professional organizers have unique needs, from managing complex client projects to building referral networks. My clients went from juggling multiple subscriptions and feeling overwhelmed by their tech stack to having one powerful, affordable solution that actually grows their business. So if you're a professional organizer who's tired of your current CRM, or you're wondering which system is right for your business, I'd love to help you figure that out. I offer a CRM selection service where you can take a quiz, fill out a worksheet, we dive deep into your specific needs and find the right fit. You can book a discovery session with me as well. Go to my website, purposefultechsolutions.com, and we will get your tech stack working for you instead of against you. Trust me, the right CRM will transform your business. And for most professional organizers that I work with, that CRM is Elenore.